Ki Pulit kathemri bhoi haka jingalam UVS Rathor SSP berubah Orville Masar additional SP kila penlong ka jing Hikai bajing pen Paidbah Kumno ban kiar berban lait na ki jing majing mensau road safety haba Iaid haki Surok ba ber kiwe ki Surok Iaid kali kila batai ru ekinongnya kali ban Iaid hala ka jong kalenti berban kiar na ka jing kini Iaid stat haki jaka babun breu khamtam haki jaka badon ki school ki hospital bat ki jaka balong yau kila batai ru hakum kini ki jaka kinong nya kali kide banya kham suki banait na kajing sha teliat ne jing sha lembub piki knaret pat ikir kan thai kila batai ru hakum kini ki jaka kinong nya kali kide banya kham suki banait na kajing sha teliat ne kajing sha lembub kila manaru ban kiar na kakiat habaki bat eki steering jong ki kali bat umde ban penwet ya kalet kawan jong ki breu bat jong ki wei pat ki kali kinong nya kali ki bapen khen ya ki kendon an kin ngat hakakuna klem jing map kila batai kumju lamana ya ki breu ki baya ha Surok kimde ban pendon kam ki mobile yo ki ngat haka jing ban saw ki breu ki balet bawan ha Surok ki de ban pendon kam ki lentiat kejat ki balabu ban shngan ka jing em jong ki
Kadon jing mana em?
Kadon jing mana?
Telada katrok ke bakia kaya nak left PPU ya PPU ya free bina kene kala kacan em.
Yo ya nak
Lada kat kitrok ni bakia kaya nak left te PPU wan lang nak juk kan PPU ban ya lut deh. Te kalong sif nem pi.
Am kadon jing siri kan. Ba semua piang no de bakaya nene.
Ha.
Ya dah karat mun ngangan ya dah kalaf. Am kamai ke membekal kalak teman cross untuk kembali mungkin mau pe ke nama bon kita bagi mau pe ke kelas B. Kena tak tahu bakahon kadon. Ya kemun minahap ai hon ke.
Te piso kum dah lor kene jing pelong Pulit riboy kene ka jing checking kali.
Am ko biang ka biasa. Bang ko biang ne ban ayu cek latest me.
Naman mana kini bon bagi jing ja accident ki bagi do no ka jing em te ki Pulit gile kene piso kum no ka ke bak pidon bonong Pulit riboy.
Nga ang ka biang.
Abiang.
Yang ni truk kiat zigzag jenjara ni kan. Habis dia baru safety fiskal no sarai.
Ngobrol kam sufukin ben zigzag. Sufa ben clear gitu.
Habis dia pakai jengat je kan lane pat ini truk dia banyak nak kena lane truk semua.
Disir banyak sekali yang kam sufi.
Iya yang bagian ni ke highway deh. Kadon jing mana don jing mara dalong ku mapi cross menta.
Kadon ni lo. Kam siar na deh speed dah.
Habu siar le deh tang bar kumlong lada kalong hak tu kum kadon nem ke jing mai ka ipi babot na din.
I feel it's difficult, na? When you're driving like a zigzag. Oh, yeah.
Jenjar lah daya gitu.
Jar. Tahi over ho siar na deh tak speed. Kam hablong siar mau long active long.
We'll ask you one question on more.
रूल के बारे में कुछ पता चला कि नहीं?
हाँ जी जरूर पता चला, बहुत अच्छा लगा। हमेशा ट्रक लेफ्ट साइड चलना चाहिए और जो भी स्पीड लिमिट 40 रख के चलना चाहिए, इससे एक्सीडेंट कम होता है। और रिव्यू पुलिस जो कर रहा है बहुत अच्छा कर रहा है, तो आगे भी करते रहे। धन्यवाद।
आगे चलो ना, आगे यार। आगे पब्लिक रुका देगा अभी।
We have been very serious about road safety since many months now, and it has started yielding us results, especially the illegal parking of trucks in Barnihat-Jorabad stretch has been resolved to a large extent. We don't see any more illegally parked trucks there, except one or two, maybe due to breakdown or temporary for a few minutes they stop. So still we are very serious about it. At the same time, we often see on NH, though the behavior has improved, but still many trucks we see driving on the right lane. So today we started this exercise with the truck drivers to brief them about the traffic rules and how they should drive on national highway. And we conducted a kind of experiment in which we made them to move in left lane first, and then right lane first, and then in a zigzag manner. And some people also came together with us. They were told to overtake the vehicles, and then after the exercise was done, we took the feedback from the truck drivers also and the car drivers also about what they felt, which was more convenient to them. So most of them, even truck drivers, admitted that when they move in left lane, it is more convenient to them because they don't have to give sides to anyone. Everyone passes through the right lane, so they don't have to maneuver the trucks, and it becomes convenient to them also, and it is as per law also. So we'll be uploading the videos for general public view shortly, and it is kind of awareness program, because if I give a long speech to these truck drivers, they won't understand anything because of language barriers. Because if we bring 10-20 drivers, some of them will be Hindi speaking, some of them won't understand English, some will not understand Khasi or Garo. So the visual appeal, we believe, is more effective, and that is why we conducted this experiment along with the media personnel and our officers, so that once they see, and then they will themselves realize that driving in left lane is the best option to choose, and the only legal option available to them. So it will save them from unnecessary fines also. We don't want to cause any financial loss, but at the same time, road safety is non-negotiable, and we'll continue to do it.